you see, everybody, I think they want peaceful life. Family level, community level, national level, international level. Everybody want peace. But peace will not come from declaration or something from outside. Peace must come through within, through inner peace. Firstly, people, particularly leaders, including religious leaders, they themselves should create inner peace. Inner peace not through blind faith, but through human intelligence. That inner peace is very stable. Just inner peace through faith, without a reason. Sometimes it may work, sometimes may not. Sometimes even becoming more destructive way. So, intelligence, using common sense, these are very, very essential. So therefore, the inner peace is something, whether believe religion or not, inner peace, everybody needs that. If we human beings becoming more reasonable, more, compassionate, and I think environment issue also, I think, also there's some positive impact. Then billions or limitless different species of mammals, including fish, and small today, or what do you call seafood. I think human being becoming more compassionate, more sense of concern of others' well-being. And then a lot of animals also, I think, face less disturbances. Like that. Poultry, beef farm, fishery, piggery. I think we, because of our greed, sometimes we don't care about other feeling, animals' feeling. We simply, consider these are like a vegetable. In this area, when I first came in 60, from here to Pathankot or Jammu airport, you see, no not much chicken. Nowadays, in the name of development, I think almost every small restaurant, some chickens in her city, the cage, like that. During summer, like that. During winter, again like that. Really helpless. One time, that was first my experience was, I think in late 60, my first visit to Japan, in a part of my tour, one farm, chicken in box. I was told 200,000 chicken. They say mainly egg, for egg. Then I asked, after the period of giving egg, and what happened? Kill. And I saw that, it really very sad. So in our settlement, in Tibetan settlement in India, at the beginning, some part of their program, the organization who are helping us in their program, including poultry and fishery, piggery. Then I asked these concerned people, concerned Tibetan, if you really need, for economy reasons, you really need, then I cannot say. But if not that necessary, then please don't open such things. So now our settlement, no poultry, no piggery, no fishery, like that. So when we heard this, like because of the disease, cow disease or pig disease, firstly we created all this problem, and then also slaughter, massive slaughter away, like that. So if we human being becoming more reasonable, more, I think more reasonable, I think much sort of positive effect on global issue because of the global warming and some other things like that.